In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Surfshark browser extension, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. If you want to use Surfshark directly from your web browser, setting up the browser extension is a quick and convenient way to get started. Surfshark offers extensions for popular browsers including Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the setup process for each browser so you can start using Surfshark with ease. Let's begin with Google Chrome. Open your Chrome browser and click on the address bar. Search for Surfshark extension and press Enter. From the search results, open the Chrome Web Store listing for the Surfshark browser extension. Once you're on the extension page, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. After the extension has been added to Chrome, you'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the Surfshark VPN extension is now available in your browser. To access it, click the extensions icon near the top right corner of Chrome. In the list of available extensions, you'll find Surfshark VPN. Select it, then sign into your Surfshark account to begin using the service. Next, let's look at Mozilla Firefox. Open Firefox and search for Surfshark VPN extension Firefox. Press Enter, and open the Surfshark extension page from the Firefox add-ons website. Once there, click Add to Firefox and confirm when prompted. After the extension has been added, click the Extensions or Add-ons icon in the upper right area of Firefox. You should now see the Surfshark VPN extension listed among your browser add-ons. Open it, sign into your account, and you're ready to use Surfshark within Firefox. Now let's move on to Microsoft Edge. Open Edge and search for Surfshark extension Edge. Press Enter and open the Surfshark listing from the Microsoft Edge add-ons store. On the extension page, click the Get button and then select Add Extension when prompted. After the setup process is complete, the Surfshark extension will appear near the top right corner of the browser window. Click the extension icon, sign into your Surfshark account, and connect to the VPN service. That's all there is to it. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, the setup process is straightforward and only takes a few moments. Once connected, you can manage your VPN settings directly from your browser and enjoy a more private browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,